Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to remove an Audi A6 steering wheel. Before starting, safety is paramount. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any accidental airbag deployment. It is crucial to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes for any residual power to dissipate from the system. Finally, position your front wheels straight and lock the steering wheel in place for easier removal. With safety precautions in place, let's move to the airbag. You will find two small access holes on the back of the steering wheel. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver or a T30 Torx bit into each hole to release the retaining clips. Once released, gently pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel and disconnect the two electrical connectors on its backside. Now, with the airbag safely out of the way, you will see a large central bolt securing the steering wheel to the steering column. This bolt typically requires a 12mm XZN, also known as a triple square socket, for proper engagement. Use a breaker bar if needed, and loosen the bolt several turns. It is important not to remove it entirely at this stage, as it helps with the next step. Before final removal, use a marker to create alignment marks on both the steering wheel and the steering column. This ensures correct positioning during reinstallation. Now, you can fully remove the central bolt. With the bolt out, gently but firmly pull the steering wheel straight off the column. Store all components, especially the airbag, in a safe and dry place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.